Hello, everyone. Welcome to Humanity UAPD English Learning. Have you ever heard someone say, break the ice or piece of cake? Do they really mean ice or cake? No, these are called idioms, and they are very common in English conversations. In today's lesson, you will learn common English idioms, their meanings, and how to use them in real life. Let's start. What are idioms? An idiom is a group of words that has a meaning different from the literal meaning of the words. For example, kick the bucket does not mean kicking a bucket. It means someone has died. Idioms make English more natural, expressive, and interesting. Native speakers use idioms every day in conversations, movies, and books. The first idiom is break the ice, meaning to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example, he told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting. This idiom is often used when people meet for the first time. Next idiom, hit the nail on the head, meaning to describe a problem exactly or say something correct. Example, you hit the nail on the head when you said communication is the problem, piece of cake, meaning something very easy. Example, the English test was a piece of cake. Under the weather means feeling sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling under the weather today, so I will rest at home. Spill the beans means reveal a secret. Example, she spilled the beans about the surprise party. Why idioms are important. Idioms are important because they make your English sound more natural, more fluent, and more expressive. For example, instead of saying, I am very tired, you could say, I'm dead tired. Idioms make conversations more interesting and colorful. Here are some simple tips to learn idioms faster. Read English books and blogs. Watch English movies and TV shows. Practice speaking daily. Write idioms in a notebook. Use flashcards or language apps. Learning just one idiom every day can improve your English quickly. Today, you learned several common idioms, like break the ice, hit the nail on the head, piece of cake, under the weather, and spill the beans. Try to use these idioms in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Also, visit our website, english.humanityuapd.com, to access the complete 28-day free English course. See you in the next lesson.